the feeling you can't quite explain. You didn't just leave home. You left a version of yourself behind. And that might be why everything feels slightly off lately. Not in a dramatic way. Not something you can easily explain. Just small moments. Waking up for a second and forgetting where you are. Or wanting to tell someone something and realizing they're not there anymore. We call it homesickness. But that word feels too simple. Because it's not just missing a place. It feels like your inner world didn't fully follow you into your new life. Like the you that existed back home is still slightly out of reach. And even when life looks fine, something still feels unanchored. Here's the deeper truth. Your brain didn't store home as a place. It stored it as patterns, familiar routines, familiar people, familiar versions of you. And when those disappear, your sense of stability doesn't update instantly. It lags behind reality. That gap is what you're feeling. Why you feel emotionally unstable. Modern loneliness isn't always loneliness. Sometimes it feels like restlessness, or mental fog, or emotional disconnection for no clear reason. Psychologically, your brain relies on familiarity to feel safe. Same routines, same cues, same predictable patterns. When those disappear, your nervous system doesn't feel danger, but it also doesn't feel fully safe. So you get this in-between state. Not panic, just quiet instability. And modern life makes this worse. Too much change, too little repetition, constant stimulation. Your mind loses grounding points. That's why homesickness feels heavier than just missing home. It's a loss of structure. The Japanese insight, stability through small rituals. In Japanese daily life, there's a subtle idea. Don't fix emotions directly. Fix structure first, because emotions follow structure. Small repeated actions quietly tell your brain, everything is stable here, not through motivation, not through force, but through rhythm. And that's what helps people stay grounded emotionally. Now let's go through 5 simple habits inspired by this idea, not as hacks, but as emotional anchors. Habit 1, a calm morning start. Don't start your day with noise, no rushing, no scrolling immediately. Even 30 seconds of stillness changes your mental state because the first input of your day sets your emotional tone. A calm start tells your nervous system you are safe, and that alone reduces emotional chaos throughout the day. Habit 2, recreate familiar actions. Your brain loves repetition. Pick one small action and do it the same way every day. Tea, desk setup, morning walk. It doesn't matter what it is. What matters is consistency, because familiarity creates safety signals in your brain, and safety slowly rebuilds emotional stability. Habit 3, keep one simple space. When everything changes, your mind needs one stable point, a clean corner, a simple desk, a quiet space, not for productivity, for mental relief. Because when one part of your environment feels stable, your mind borrows that stability. Habit 4, do one thing slowly. Eat or drink something without distraction. No phone, no multitasking, just presence. This breaks the mental loop of overthinking and time drifting. For a few minutes, your mind stops traveling between then and now, and you come back to yourself. Habit 5, end the day the same way. Your brain needs closure. A small night routine helps your mind understand the day is complete, you are safe, you can rest. It can be something simple, washing your face, dimming lights, sitting quietly. The key is repetition, because closure reduces emotional carryover into the next day. Final message. What this really means. Homesickness isn't just missing home, it's missing structure. And structure can be rebuilt anywhere, not through big changes, but through small, repeated moments that slowly rebuild your sense of stability. You are not becoming someone new. You are becoming someone stable again. And slowly, warmer without forcing it, you'll notice something change. Home stops feeling like a place you lost and starts becoming something you carry within yourself again.